Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome you all at AppSec online support program. The chapter is hydrocarbon. Today's topic is geometrical isomerism. Chapter 16 hydrocarbon. Today is the 8th lecture of this chapter. In today's lecture we will study in detail about the geometrical isomerism. In today's lecture we will focus only on the geometric isomerism and these further types, that is the cis isomer and trans isomer. Let's start the geometrical isomerism. First of all, what is geometrical isomerism? The compound which having the same molecular and structure formula but a different arrangement of atoms in space is known as geometrical isomerism. They having the restricted rotation, and only alkenes and cyclic compounds show the geometric isomerism. Alkanes and alkynes could not show the geometric isomers. Each carbon to a double bond must be attached with the different groups. In geometrical isomerism, each carbon of double bond must be attached with a different group. For example, you may see here students, each carbon of the double bond are attached with the two different groups. But it may be possible that two different groups are attached on the same side. You may see students, when the two different groups are attached on the same side, such type of compound is known as cis isomer. And when the two different groups are attached on the opposite side, such type of isomer are known as trans isomer. Okay, so geometrical isomers further divided into two types, that is the cis isomer and second is the trans isomers. The conversion of both isomers into each other is not possible. It can be possible only at high temperature and by absorbing the light. Trans isomer are more stable than the cis isomer. The reason is that because in the cis isomer the bulky groups are on the same side. You may see here that the bulky groups are on the same side of the double bond. The steric repulsion of the groups make the cis isomer less stable than the trans isomer, in which the bulky groups are on the opposite side, like in this example. Alkanes are interconvertible and show the free rotation, so don't show the geometric isomers. And alkynes also don't have the geometric isomers because only one group is attached with the each carbon, and as we know that according to the geometric isomers, each carbon of double bond must be attached with the two different groups, but in alkynes only one group is attached with the triple bond, so it is not possible. Geometric isomerism is only showed by the alkanes and cyclic compounds. Here are further explanation of the geometric isomers. Geometric isomers result from the rigidity due to the restricted rotation in molecules. Only alkenes and cyclic compounds show the geometric isomerism, and the atoms or groups in molecules that are attached to the sigma bond can rotate. Molecular structure is in a state of the continuous change. So हमारे पास जो alkanes होते हैं वो हमारे पास geometric isomerism को show नहीं करते. However, the atoms or group attached to the double bond cannot rotate around the double bonds without the pi bond being broken. You may see students in this example, here is a sigma bond and alkane group हमारे पास यहाँ पर है और आप देख सकते हैं कि हम लोग यहाँ पे easily इसको rotate कर सकते हैं. But in the double bond हमारे पास यहाँ पर है, हम इसको नहीं रोटेट कर सकते हैं और अगर हम इसको रोटेट करेंगे तो हमारा जो डबल बॉन्ड में से वीक पाई बॉन्ड है ये ब्रेक हो सकता है. सो देयरफॉर इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल इन द अल्केन ग्रुप. Geometric isomerism is possible only for the alkene and cyclic compounds. The molecule is designated as a cis when the groups are attached on the same side, that is known as the cis group, and when the same group are attached on the opposite side, that is known as the trans isomer. What is the meaning of trans? Across. The cis and trans designated is therefore incorporated into the nomenclature as etylized prefix. Cis or trans stereoisomers are two different compounds having the different physical properties such as melting point and boiling points. They are the geometric isomerism is actually the type of one stereoisomers. What is the definition of stereoisomers? Stereoisomers हमारे पास वो होते हैं which having the same molecular structure formula but different in the space, which show the different orientation in the space. Okay, that is known as stereoisomerism. So geometric isomerism में हमारे पास यही होता है कि सेम मॉलिक्यूलर स्ट्रक्चर फॉर्मूला होता है बट हमारे पास स्पेस में उनकी ओरिएंटेशन डिफरेंट होती है. That's why geometric isomerism is actually the one type of the stereoisomer. Geometric isomers. A requirement of the geometric isomer in alkene is each carbon atoms involved in the pi bond have the two different groups attached to it. For example, the first one is the cis 2-pentene. You may see students, here is the methyl group and here is the ethyl group. ये दोनों हमारे पास इथाइल और मिथाइल ग्रुप जो हैं वो सेम साइड पर हैं पेंटीन के, इस वजह से इसको सिस कहा जा रहा है. ठीक है, बट आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर हमारे पास मिथाइल और इथाइल ग्रुप आर ऑन द अपोजिट साइड, हमारे पास डिफरेंट अपोजिट साइड पर है, डिफरेंट साइड पर है, इसलिए इसको ट्रांस कहा जाता है. सेम फॉर द 1-क्लोरोप्रोपीन, यहाँ पर हमारे पास मिथाइल और क्लोराइड ग्रुप दोनों सेम साइड पर है, इसलिए इसका नाम है सिस. और जब हमारे पास क्लोराइड और मिथाइल ग्रुप ऑपोजिट साइड पे होते हैं, दे आर नोन एज ट्रांस. जस्ट सी द एग्जांपल ऑफ द 2-ब्यूटीन. इन 2-ब्यूटीन आप देख सकते हैं हमारे पास 2 मिथाइल ग्रुप्स आर ऑन द सेम साइड, that's why it is known as cis, and when the methyl groups are on the opposite side, then it is known as the trans 2-butene. Now consider the example of the 3-hexene. This is because the each double bonded carbon atom is attached to two different groups, and you may see students here the ethyl groups are on the opposite side, that's why it is known as trans 3-hexene, and when the ethyl group are on the same side, it is known as the 6,3-hexene. Now example 3, consider the example 3 in which the compound 1 carboxylic group. In this example student, 2 carboxylic group are on the same side, that's why it is known as cis butane dioic acid, and when the two carboxylic group are on the opposite side, the compound will be known as trans-butane dioic acid. Cis 2-butane dioic acid common name is malic acid, and trans-butane dioic acid common name is fumaric acid. And you may see student कि just हमारे पास structure change होने से इन compound के नाम भी हमारे पास different हैं. Now come to the example 4, that is consider the example dimethyl cyclopropane. Consider the first example. In first example, you may see students, in first example that is a 1,1-dimethyl cyclopropane. In this example, geometric isomerism is not possible, क्योंकि अगर हम इसको इंटरकन्वर्ट कर भी दें, क्योंकि हमारे पास एक ही ग्रुप अटैच्ड है, इसलिए यहाँ पर हमारे पास geometric इसका आइसोमर नहीं हो सकता है. It is not possible. Consider the second one. In the second one, the name of the compound is 1,2-dimethyl cyclopropane. In this example, when the 2 methyl group are on the same side, it is known as cis, and in the second example you may see the 2 methyl group are on the opposite side, so it is known as trans isomers. So only in the cyclic compounds and in alkenes geometric isomerism is possible. Here is a quick quiz. Which compound can exist as cis and trans geometric isomers? Draw them. Second question, draw the structure of the cis and trans isomer for each compound. Label them cis and trans. If no cis and trans isomer exist, write the none. Okay students? Thank you so much. Wish you all the best. Allah Hafiz.